Here as for land investment mistake you need to watch out for when buying a land in Nigeria. Number one, not conducting your own personal research. What I mean is that when buying a property in Nigeria, you need to conduct your own personal research. Check if that property is a genuine property, the land you are about to buy is a genuine land, the land you are about to acquire for, it is free for government. You need to go to the Ministry of Land, conduct your own diligence, ask questions, ask the community, ask anyone you know about the property. Always go with a rector or you go with a professional, a property lawyer when buying a property in Nigeria. Number two, not conducting a physical inspection. You need to conduct a physical inspection. Go and see that property they are telling you about. Check if that property is a genuine land. Check that property if that property truly exists. Check that property, check the road, check if they are not those property you will see the guy not for sale, so that you avoid being getting scam of your hard-earned money. Your money will not go in vain. You have to go for a physical inspection. If you are not around, you always invite your family member when buying a property when you are not around, or you look for a friend you trust that can go for a physical inspection in your absence. Don't buy land because of sentiment. What I mean is, by when buying a property, don't buy a property because your uncle, your brother, your sister tell you to buy a property. When buying a property, you need to buy a property that fits to your investment. If you are buying a property that for investment purpose, or you are buying a property for a buy and build purpose, because a lot of people have been scammed recently by buying property from their family member. You find out that after a long period of time, you have heard the story after a long period of time whereby someone in abroad send the money to his brother in Nigeria to build a house for him, has paid the money for land and everything. When coming back, you find out that there is no property, and the property he's been sending money for is registered in his brother's name. So you need to make sure on what you are investing your money on. I will always advise you, when buying a property, buy from a real estate firm. Or not getting your documents after land purchase. You need to be sure that you are being issued your document after buying a property. A receipt is not a title document. A lot of scams these days, a lot of stories these days are come by whereby a client buy a property maybe for individual and later being given a receipt, or buy a property from an agent, later being issued a receipt that this is the receipt of the property or the land he buy. After a long period of time, you find that another person that buy that land and has his own title document. So make sure that the property you are buying has the title document, and when after buying that property, pay for the document fees and every other fees. There you are being issued your document. I am Freddy Chinoso, your real estate friend, right here in the city of ENUGU. If you buy from me, I earn my commission. My goal in this channel is to educate you on how to make a successful real estate transaction when buying a property in Nigeria or in ENUGU. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.